For centuries, scientists have believed that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. But what if they were wrong? There is a mysterious theoretical particle known as the tachyon, which is said to move faster than light at all times. If tachyons exist, they could break the laws of physics as we know them, potentially allowing time travel, instant communication, and access to hidden dimensions of reality. But where would these strange particles come from? Some scientists believe that tachyons may exist in the 11th dimension, a concept from string theory that proposes a higher dimensional universe beyond what we can see. Could tachyons be the key to unlocking faster-than-light travel? Do they connect our universe to a hidden reality beyond space and time? Let's explore the fascinating world of tachyons and their connection to the 11th dimension. Tachyons are hypothetical particles that always move faster than the speed of light. Unlike normal particles, which start at rest and accelerate, tachyons can never slow down to the speed of light. If they exist, they would challenge everything we know about physics. If tachyons exist, they could lead to some strange and mind-bending effects. First, they could allow time travel. Because they move faster than light, tachyons could send signals backward in time, meaning information from the future could reach the past. This creates causality paradoxes, such as the famous grandfather paradox, where an event in the future changes the past in a way that makes its own existence impossible. Another possibility is instant communication. Right now, even the fastest signals in the universe are limited by the speed of light. But if tachyons exist, they could allow for faster-than-light messaging, meaning we could send and receive information instantly, no matter the distance. But why? Why haven't we found tachyons? There are two main reasons why tachyons remain theoretical. First, no experiment has ever detected one. Scientists have searched for tachyons in high-energy physics experiments, but so far, there is no direct evidence of their existence. Second, tachyons seem to violate Einstein's theory of relativity. According to Einstein, nothing with mass can move faster than light. If tachyons exist, they would need to have imaginary mass, a concept that does not fit within current physics. Some scientists believe that if tachyons exist, they might not belong to our familiar three-dimensional space. Instead, they could exist in a higher dimensional reality, beyond what we can see or measure. This leads us to string theory and the 11th dimension, which might hold the key to understanding tachyons. If tachyons exist, they might not just be fast-moving particles. They could interact with space-time itself, creating strange distortions in reality. Unlike normal particles, which follow the fabric of space-time, tachyons might have the ability to bend, ripple, or even stretch space-time in ways we do not fully understand. If tachyons do influence space-time, they could help explain mysterious cosmic phenomena such as dark energy, the force that is making the universe expand at an accelerating rate. Some physicists believe that tachyons, or something like them, could be linked to this unknown energy. One reason we may not have detected tachyons is that they could exist in higher dimensional space. Imagine trying to see a shadow of a four-dimensional object in our three-dimensional world. It might be there, but we would only experience small traces of it. Some physicists suggest that tachyons might exist in a hidden dimension beyond our perception, one that connects different points in space and time. If this is true, then tachyons might be moving through the 11th dimension, where they could act as messengers between different parts of the universe. This idea leads us into the world of string theory, where the laws of physics suggest that reality may be much more complex than what we can see. For most of history, people believed the universe had only three dimensions of space: length, width, and height, plus time as the fourth dimension. But modern physics suggests that there may be more dimensions hidden beyond our perception. One of the most fascinating ideas in physics is string theory, which proposes that the universe actually has up to 11 dimensions. String theory suggests that instead of being tiny points, all particles are actually tiny, vibrating strings. These strings exist in a higher dimensional space, and their vibrations determine the fundamental properties of matter, like mass, charge, and energy. While we can only see and experience 3 spatial dimensions, string theory proposes that there are extra dimensions curled up so small that they are invisible to us. If true, the 11th dimension could be an entire higher dimensional space where new physical laws exist. If the 11th dimension exists, then tachyons might not belong to our 3D universe at all. Instead, they could be moving freely through this higher dimensional space, which might explain why they have never been directly detected. Some theories suggest that the 11th dimension contains huge, invisible structures called brains, which may hold entire universes. If tachyons exist in this realm, they could act as messengers between dimensions, influencing the structure of reality itself. Some physicists believe tachyons might act as messengers between dimensions, carrying information or even energy across different layers of reality. This could mean tachyons influence dark energy. The force that is causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate might be linked to tachyonic energy flowing from another dimension. Tachyons could explain quantum entanglement, the strange phenomenon where 2 particles seem instantly connected across space might involve tachyons moving through the 11th dimension. Tachyons might make faster-than-light travel possible. If they can move freely through higher dimensions, they could create shortcuts across the universe, similar to wormholes. If tachyons exist in the 11th dimension, they might allow us to explore beyond our own universe. Some scientists believe that higher dimensions may contain parallel universes, connected through structures called brains. If we could harness tachyons, we might one day learn to travel between dimensions, opening up possibilities far beyond what we can currently imagine. The idea of tachyons and the 11th dimension challenges everything we know about reality. If tachyons exist, they could break the speed limit of light, rewriting the laws of physics as we understand them. They could provide a way to communicate or even travel through time, allowing information to be sent across the past and future. They might also serve as the key to accessing higher dimensions, giving us insight into the true nature of the universe.